MetaGPT is a system that converts single line requirements into detailed software development elements like product review design, tasks, repositories, and various other things. Just imagine how hard it is these days to get a software built from a software company. And I'm talking about any enterprise grade or medium sized company's software creation. There are various phases and various people and various teams involved, from DevOps to the designers, the architects, the web designs, technical writers, the code testers, and so on. The aim of MetaGPT is that you will only give it a one-liner requirement and it will convert it into a set of LLMs which will be doing different parts of software development from design to delivery. Right now on your screen you can see the GitHub repo of this MetaGPT, which is again a multi-agent framework, and each agent is an LLM doing a separate part of software design and creation. For instance, if you want to design or create a software like Rexis, all you would need to do is to use this Python command within the GitHub repo of this MetaGPT, that Python startup design a Rexis like .io, and it will create many outputs, and one of the output will be software API and design. So you can see these are the different phases of software lifecycle which have been taken care by each agent in this MetaGPT. Now, you would need Open API's CLI key, for which there is around 2 cent charge per API. A bit expensive, I would say, but still, if it can do what it is claiming to do, it is more than enough worth. Installation is quite simple. All you need to do is to git clone it and then just run python setup dot install. You can also use npm version 2 if you want. You can also install it through Docker, but I have seen that this traditional installation works just fine. You can also build the image by yourself if you want. Now, for initiating the startup, as I said, all you need to do is to use this command, Python startup, and then write your prompt, and it will create the software for you. Now, if you want to do the code review, it will you just need to set this flag, but it will cost you more. I will also drop the link to this video's description so that you can follow along. And if you have Open API access, you can use this code easily. And then you can also go through the code walkthrough. And there are a lot of other examples too in the repo. I hope that you found it interesting, and you can see that how the LLMs and all this Open AI usage is growing. If you have any feedback, please put it in the comment section. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.